contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Laredo, Texas, the NXT Women's Champion, ROXANNE PEREZ.
One of the biggest names in women's wrestling before joining WWE, trained by Booker T. You can't judge her by the company she keeps, but she is definitely living up to her hype.
The first superstar to compete on Smackdown who was born after it premiered.
Well, you're older than television itself, so I'll take your word for it, Saxton.
From Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, THEA.
Gentlemen, I think this one's going to turn into a fight in a hurry, and I cannot wait.
A woman meant for the highlight reel. She plans on even more excitement tonight.
Championship aspirations on their mind. As they should. If you don't want to be a champ, you shouldn't even consider getting into this business. They definitely have that mentality, Corey.
And she'll be taking on the seemingly endless perseverance of ROXANNE PEREZ.
We've seen what Perez is capable of and what she's able to withstand. At this point in her career, I think she's earned the nickname The Prodigy.
Strong takedown there. Japanese on drag.
Side headlock takeover, nicely done.
Tremendous pressure applied.
Ooh, stinging kick.
Spiked with a Michinoku driver. Into the pin attempt. And she's not done yet.
She shows that she's far from finished.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm. ROXANNE is being overwhelmed.
And Perez is seeking salvation.
Beautiful athleticism. Drop kick to the knee. That's great strategy. That perseverance of Perez being tested by her opponent there. From the top. She comes up empty.
Press.
And it's been a heck of... What does she have to do in order to keep it going with a victory in this match?
ROXANNE is new to WWE, but she's by no means a rookie in this business. She has well-earned instincts that got her to the dance, and she needs to trust them and remember that whatever happens, she's probably been there before.
Hooking her up. A neck breaker.
Perez making it no secret what her intentions are.
All the way up and around the world.
Crucifix head scissor. It's incredible, the inventiveness we are seeing on this.
What's the plan here? And gets tossed back into the mat.
Evades their offense. Been kicked right to the gut. You can see her struggling to find her bearings.
No way!
Slingshot cross body to the outside.
Everyone needs to get out of the way of this fight.
This feels so unsafe. Oh my gosh! Watch out! They're coming towards the announce desk!
What the hell are you doing, Byron? Now she's climbing to the top turnbuckle.
Up high!
Oh, wait a second.
Ripcord applied.
Boom! Knock him down. Ouch. Ooh, she responds with a counter. Snapmare.
And a Westing splash.
Effective.
Is it enough? Two. She claws out of the pin.
She got so close she could taste it there.
Oh, God.
Turnbuckle's the only thing keeping her.
Roxanne Perez setting up for.
Will Perez take advantage?
Oh, very frustrated at what's going to happen here.
Frustrated. I'm excited, Cole. This just changed everything.
Look, she's got no business out here.
You gonna stop her?
She has Perez in her grasp.
Taste of pain.
Perez will come back after that.
And a win here tonight. That'll change her career. Now's a good time to look at some of the highlights from that last matchup.
Here is your winner,